Are you looking for the best wireless mechanical keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless mechanical keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Logitech G950 Lightspeed. The Logitech G950 Lightspeed looks sharp, has a great typing feel, and comes with lots of special features. The Logitech G950 Lightspeed has something for everyone. It's a full-size keyboard, with a 10-keyless version available, that's ready-made for gaming, but is great for work too. It features low-profile switches, which are shorter and flatter than a normal keyboard, and a thin, 22mm design, making it an easy transition for laptop and Magic Keyboard users. It also features Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology, providing it with gaming-grade responsiveness. Logitech's G Hub software also allows you to easily map Windows shortcuts, making navigating your PC faster and easier than competing keyboards. Add to that dedicated media controls, excellent switches, programmable, and optional RGB lighting, and you have a keyboard that's a powerhouse for both work and play. All of this functionality comes at a steep price of $249. The TKL version is significantly cheaper at $189 but drops the number pad, which may be a deal breaker for some. Logitech also limits key remapping to just the G keys, but with 3 onboard profiles, that tallies up to 15 programmable buttons, which will be plenty for most users. If you can afford it, this is the Logitech mechanical keyboard to buy. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini HyperSpeed. The BlackWidow V3 Mini HyperSpeed is a compact powerhouse. It has all the keys you need and doesn't leave performance on the table. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini HyperSpeed is the wireless gaming keyboard to choose if you need a compact design and wired-like performance. With the company's proprietary HyperSpeed wireless technology, it's able to maintain a reliable 1 millisecond connection that's free of interference-based stutters. It also features bright RGB backlighting, complete programmability, and excellent double-shot ABS keycaps. Razer's only 65% keyboard, the BlackWidow V3 Mini HyperSpeed keeps things compact. It leaves dedicated media keys on the cutting room floor, so if you need an actual volume wheel, you're best looking elsewhere. And while the battery life is great at 200 hours with RGB turned off, that plummets to 48 hours at 30% and 17 hours with backlighting turned all the way up. Thankfully, it can recharge to 50% in just 30 minutes and to 100% in 5 hours, so you won't need to stay plugged in for long when you do run it dry. Number 3. Razer Protype Ultra. Razer is known for its gaming keyboards, but the Protype Ultra is a more grown-up take with plentiful, office-friendly features. Razer is best known for its flamboyant RGB gaming keyboards, but the Protype Ultra is altogether more grown-up. It features a clean, minimalist look with a silver deck, white keycaps, and simple white backlight. It also includes a plush gray wrist rest to support your arms and maintain your typing form. The Protype Ultra sports many of the features found in elite productivity keyboards, including both Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless support. If you pair the keyboard with its mouse mate, Razer ProClick Mini Wireless Mouse, you can use the 2.4 GHz USB receiver to connect to both devices, saving you a second port. There is one downside for mechanical switch aficionados. The Protype Ultra is only available with silent linear switches, which makes sense if you're trying to be a courteous office worker, but might cramp some enthusiast style. It's a keyboard built for a very specific job and setting, though, and it excels in that situation. Maximum productivity. Minimum sound. The silent mechanical switches and sound dampening foam on this keyboard offer a quiet, distraction-free experience when at the office or WFH, while its super durable design lasts for up to 80 million clicks. Keycaps, ABS plastic with soft touch coating. Comfort with every keystroke. This ergonomically designed keyboard is high on comfort and features keycaps lined with a fingerprint-resistant, soft touch coating for a luxurious, cushioned feel that makes typing a joy. Superior ergonomic support. The soft, cushioned wrist support perfectly aligns to the keyboard to relieve wrist pressure, providing superior comfort and less strain over long periods of typing. Multitask with a single click, connect and control up to 4 devices, desktop, laptop, Android tablet and TV screen, while conveniently switching between them without the constant need to pair and unpair. Efficiency at your fingertips. Customize the keyboard to best suit your style. Remap keys, record macros, and create personal shortcuts for creative tools or office programs to maximize workflow. Unparalleled wireless freedom, powered by Razer HyperSpeed technology. Keep any workspace looking clean and clutter-free by connecting this keyboard and compatible mice to the same Razer productivity dongle. Number 4. Happy Hacking Keyboard Hybrid Type S. This retro mechanical keyboard is a modern classic. It's been a mainstay in the programming world for years and doesn't seem to be leaving anytime soon. The Japanese Happy Hacking keyboard is iconic in the mechanical keyboard world and a longtime favorite among computer programmers. Its layout is centered on efficiency as it applies to coding. The key arrangement shifts the control key to the caps lock position and delete to backspace. These streamline the programming process by allowing for less hand movement, allowing you to input commands more quickly and get more work done with less backtracking. The tiny 60% layout reserves less common inputs for secondary commands and makes it more portable to easily continue work at home. At the same time, the HHKB uses electrocapacitive Topra key switches that feel lightweight, tactile, and quiet, while still offering a crisp typing experience that won't irritate your fellow programmers. These switches are excellent for typing over long hours and reduce finger fatigue due to their lightweight tactility. The biggest downside to Happy Hacking keyboards, including the Hybrid Type S, is the price. Because electrocapacitive switches are expensive to produce and not widely available in the United States, they're typically very expensive. Bluetooth-enabled models begin at $277 on Amazon for the classic design, all the way up to $385 for the Silence Type S model. Also, as a compact keyboard with an alternative layout, there is a steeper learning curve than usual when you use it for the first time, so expect to type slowly and imprecisely for the first few weeks. Still, after trying dozens of keyboards, there is nothing quite like it. Silent Topra electrostatic capacitive switches eliminate key chatter, while providing supreme tactility, extra comfort, keystroke precision. Compact 60-key layout that minimizes finger movement and maximizes efficiency, ergonomic design suitable for programming and long text writing. Create key map settings which are saved in the HHKB so you can use it with different devices, and customizable DIP switches enable you to change mode for different OS, Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac, etc. Connect to your PC via USB, Type-C, or connect to your PC, tablet, smartphone, iPad, iPhone, Android via Bluetooth multi-pairing, instantly switching between up to 4 devices with keyboard shortcuts. High-quality frame and keys, sculpted keycaps and spacebar made from durable, shine-resistant PBT with dye sublimation printed legends. Number 5. Newfie Air 75. The Newfie Air 75's Mac-friendly design is exceptionally portable and feels great to use with its Gateron low-profile switches. The Newfie Air 75 is the mechanical keyboard Mac users have been waiting for. With Apple-centric keycaps that match the function row of the modern MacBook, the Newfie Air 75 is actually designed to sit on top of your existing MacBook keyboard and become a true mechanical replacement. It's only 16 mm high, so it doesn't drastically alter the keyboard's profile if you actually stack it on top. To be clear, you do not have to do that. That doesn't mean Windows users are left out in the cold. With a recent firmware update, you can easily swap between a standard function row and MacBook functions. Newfie also includes alternate Windows keycaps in the box. Regardless of your platform, the Newfie Air 75 is a great wireless mechanical keyboard. It features Gateron low-profile switches, hot swap sockets to easily change switches, per-key RGB backlighting, and your choice of Bluetooth 5.0 or 2.4 GHz for high-speed gaming. It's also one of the few low-profile wireless keyboards to feature PBT keycaps for added longevity and an improved typing experience.